friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I will tell you the Capgemini which is conducting a tech challenge. First let me refresh this page. You can see here, register now for the tech challenge 2021. Okay, I think you saw here a register now button on the screen. So we will check that about the concept. Tech challenge is back with its latest edition, a unique hackathon. It's like just hackathon to if you complete this hackathon or if you win, then you will get the prizes as well as a job opportunity in the Capgemini company. Okay, so hack for positive futures, showcase what a true ace is made of, and register for the Capgemini Tech Challenge 2021. Okay, so who can participate? I'll just click here. You can see uh, about the contest that they have provided some info. Then regional challenge, this is an online contest. There will be 3 levels in the above mentioned contest. First 2 levels will be launched simultaneously and third level will be launched on the day of finale. There will be 25 MCQ in level 1. Correct answer for each MCQ will give you 4 points. Maximum time allotted for each level is 30 minutes. A user has to answer 40% of the questions correctly to unlock the next level. Okay, if you pass level 1, suppose if you given level 1 and you got 40% or suppose more than 40%, then next level test will be unlocked. If you got 30%, then level it won't get unlocked. Okay, so each user will get 2 attempts per level to improve their scores. The highest score both the attempts will be considered as your final score for that level. There will be no negative marking in any of the levels. The final level for these contests will be held online. Then winners of regional challenge contest will not qualify for the direct level 2 interview. Okay, then tie-break logic, we will see the user with highest marks sum of both levels will be ranked higher. Point 1 being equal, the user who has taken lesser time of level 3 will be ranked higher. इसका ऐसा है कि if you take less time and if you take less time and achieve more marks, then there are higher chances to rank in the top. That is the tie break logic. Okay, so gratifications for online contest: first prize is 50,000 cash prize, second prize is 30,000. Early bird prizes for first top 10 players to complete level 2 and win Capgemini branded merchandise of the online contest. Okay, so theme specific contest: Appian, React.js, Java full stack, Snowflake, AWS data science, Salesforce Lightning, Pega, GCP, PySpark. So all these technologies, based upon on these technologies the MCQ will be asked. Okay, so yeah, they have mentioned all these things. All the levels will be online, but the finale level, third level, will be launched at the specific date. Top 5 coders will be shortlisted from the level 2 will be selected. All the above contest can be a combination of MCQ plus problem statement based on contest. Level 1 will be MCQ contest, level 2 will be problem statement based contest. Both will have equal weightage of 100 points each. Level 1 will be for 100 points and level 2 will be for 100 points. If a user has to answer 40% of the questions correctly to unlock the next level. Each user will get 2 attempts per level to improve their score across level. MCQs will be timed. Time utilized for answering will be accounted for the for to tabulate the leaderboard. And no negative marking is level 1 screening phase. There will be total 25 MCQ, 30 minutes. In case of the MCQ, each correct answer will fetch 4 points. If you if you give correct answer, then for each correct answer you will get 4 points. Level 2 online hackathon phase, there will be they will provide you a problem statement that you need to execute your code to unlock the level 3. Okay, there will be single problem statement in this round, for which time duration of 7 days will be allotted to the candidate. 7 days you will get 7 days to complete level 2. Number of attempts for the ideation phase is unlimited. You can attempt this level 2 phase unlimited. Okay, there is no time limit or attempts limit. All the submission must be submitted on the Capgemini site. Participant will be able to access problem statement once the participate now button is clicked. During online hackathon you can participate from anywhere. Once the hackathon starts, you will get an option to submit your hack, and you can submit as many times as you want, and the last hack will be considered at the final submission. Okay, so the total score will be the cumulative score of the two levels in each contest, that is level 1 plus level 2 for the leaderboard. Scoring logic of level X is follow as number of MCQ correctly answered into 4, that they have considered A, and total number of test cases answered correctly into 10 B, and total score will be A plus B. Okay, so that we have checked here, and you will also get a job opportunity in the Capgemini India. Then yeah, there will be a webcam. Okay, candidate must have working webcam to take the test. Okay, so all these things they have mentioned here: theme, prices, proctoring. Then I hope you are known about this contest, Capgemini Tech Challenge 2021. Let me go back. Okay, so rules. Okay, we are redirecting the same page again. So they have mentioned all those things that I have told you, and then you can also win the prizes. Okay, registration open 31st May. Okay, so registrations are already open, so please register for this Capgemini Tech Challenge 2021. Regional level 1 7 June to 19 July, regional level 1. Okay, and level 1 28 June to 19 July, launch of lateral tech challenge 2021. Regional level 2, you can see the date here, and finale of tech challenge will be 4 and 5 September. Okay, selection of top 70 finalists for the grand finale. Okay, then east region, west region, north, south. Okay, so please apply for this tech challenge. Once you refresh the page, you will get the register now button here. Click on register now. Please enter your mail, they are saying. So enter your mail ID here, and then click on the register now button to apply for this tech challenge. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please apply.